Welcome to our Grade 6 Geography video on hot deserts. Today, we will explore the unique characteristics, locations, and life found in these fascinating environments. So, what exactly is a hot desert? These regions are defined by low rainfall, extremely high daytime temperatures that cool significantly at night, and specialized plants and animals that have adapted to survive in these harsh, dry conditions. Hot deserts are found across the globe. Some major examples include the Sahara in Africa, the Gobi in Asia, the Mojave and Sonoran deserts in North America, and the Great Victoria Desert in Australia. When studying desert climate, we focus on two main patterns: temperature and rainfall. Understanding how these fluctuate is key to learning how life sustains itself in the desert. Desert temperatures show extreme daily patterns. Days can reach scorching highs of 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, while nights see rapid cooling, dropping to as low as 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Rainfall in the desert is unpredictable. It often follows a cycle of long, dry seasons, interrupted by short season rains. Sometimes these brief periods lead to flash floods, which help the desert bloom quickly. This climate graph illustrates the temperature and rainfall patterns for the Sahara Desert. You can see how the temperature peaks mid-year, contrasted with very limited seasonal rainfall. In contrast, here is the pattern for the Atacama Desert. Note the different temperature and precipitation scales, showing just how dry this particular region remains throughout the year. Deserts are home to a diverse range of wildlife and vegetation, from the iconic saguaro cactus to animals like the Gila monster and the roadrunner. Every organism has evolved to survive here. Let's take a closer look at the plant life. Desert plants are masters of conservation, specifically evolved to thrive where water is scarce. How do these plants survive? They use strategies like storing water in their stems, having tiny or no leaves to reduce evaporation, developing thorns for protection, and growing long roots to reach deep groundwater. Desert animals are equally impressive. Whether it's the resilient camel, the nocturnal fennec fox, or scorpions and meerkats, these creatures have incredible ways to stay alive. Survival strategies for these animals include resting in underground burrows during the heat of the day, hunting at night, and minimizing water loss through specialized body functions. Here are some interesting facts. Certain cacti store water for years. A camel can drink over 100 liters of water at once. A fennec fox's large ears help it cool down, and deserts can briefly bloom with flowers after rainfall. How do people live in such extreme conditions? To avoid the intense heat, desert dwellings are often built underground or with thick walls. People also wear light, loose-fitting clothing to protect against the sun, use their limited water supplies sparingly, and adjust their daily schedules to stay active during cooler parts of the day. In this video, we've learned that warm deserts have very little rain and high temperatures. Plants, animals, and people have all developed fascinating adaptations to survive. Remember that water is the most precious resource in these environments, and human communities manage it carefully while building homes and choosing clothing that suits the dry climate. We have so much more to learn. Till we meet again, toodaloo!